Well, hey, here we are, November 13th, 2024. It's sunrise. You can see the sky getting beautiful. And it's my 68th birthday. So let's have a wonderful walk together. Let's enjoy all the moments we've been given. Who could ask for a better gift on their birthday than to be able to see something like this? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, this color. And there you can see the rain. That's to the west. Very dark and rainy. Well, there's a lot of clouds out here. Well, that's like storm clouds. My understanding is that Sarah is the named storm, and she might wreak a little bit of havoc here. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Well, we'll be ready for her. We have our hurricane plan in place. You know, birthdays are kind of weird things, aren't they? The older you get. I mean, when you're little, when you're a young kid, you look forward to them because, oh, the presents, the presents. And then you get older and you have kids of your own, and the emphasis is no longer on your own birthday, but that of your children or maybe your husband or relatives. And then you get to be my age. Now, we've been in Roatan. This will be my 4th birthday in Roatan. So, is that right? 21, 22, 23, 24, yes. My 4th birthday in Roatan. See, you have to count when you get older, too. Sometimes use a calculator, even. Yeah. Anyways, it's just not the same. It's not the same without my boys and their wives, and now the grandchildren, all the dogs, all the animals. And when we used to have birthday parties, we celebrated everybody's birthday in as big a way as what we could. And my middle son, Evan, would always do this little part in the birthday song that it cracked me up, and it stuck with me all year. It was just, I don't know what it was, just so special. So, yeah, I'm a little nostalgic today, I guess. I'm just sitting out here watching the sea. Looks very rainy, but it's still so refreshing. I'm enjoying it. I'm going to enjoy every moment of my birthday. I want to enjoy every moment of each day. Each day is a gift. It's a gift in itself. And that's a good lesson for all of us to take this morning. No matter what our circumstances are, no matter where we are, or where we wish we were, let's take all of these moments we have and just keep them in our heart. Find a funny spot. That's the other thing I've noticed, is that if I can find something to laugh about, I feel so much better. So let's do it. Let's enjoy this day. Happy birthday! Well, I still haven't gotten back up home yet. Mike came down with Rocco and Leo. And look how the sky has changed from what I just showed you a few minutes ago. There's Rocco. He's checking it out. The waves are getting bigger. The cold air coming out of the west God, huh? It's all turned up. And on the subject of birthdays, let me see if I can get out of this wind a little bit. On the subject of birthdays, um, I was born on my Uncle Bill's 15th birthday. So that was just always, always a special time. We celebrated our birthdays together when I was young. And he's gone to heaven now. I really miss him, but you know what? Um, we named my firstborn son after him and my father, who shared the same name of William. And really special, we have a grandson and a great nephew that were both born on November 11th. And then the day after my birthday, November 14th, two more grandchildren, twins, Isaac and Lila, were born. So we have other relatives with November birthdays and friends, and we celebrate the month. It's been wonderful. We're back. It's not raining. I brought my rain hat though, just in case. It looks like it might be clearing up a little bit. Mike says it is, so if he says it, it has to be true. See you on the walk. We're getting some nice sprinkles now. Hey, but we're still having fun, so that's really all that counts. I just got the turnaround signal from Mike because it's starting to rain. We're gonna get wet. Hey, this is Island Lake. You live it and you love it. And I'll tell you a little note, rain never stopped them.